A five-star installation is a process. It starts at the beginning, from the sales consultation in the home to the end result where the installers are installing the product and completing the project. So the approach to a five-star install would start right from the beginning, from the greeting, the walking through the home, the allowing the customers to get a glimpse into how the day is going to progress, and the type of product and installations, at which time we also ask questions, certain start areas, stop areas, areas that they don't want us to go into at this present time. It's all in how you develop that relationship with the customer and how you make that initial contact. When I come into your home, I'm someone new. They don't know who I am. I want them to be comfortable with not only me, but I want them to be comfortable with the professionalism that I'm going to display when I walk into the house through the greeting process. Five-star doesn't stop there. It'll continue as we install the products throughout the home, making sure that the areas are clean, neat, and tidy as we're working through the home and progressing, so we're not leaving trails of mess throughout the customer's home, creating trip hazards and that of the sort. Five-star is also, once we have the product installed, in bringing the customer into the rooms and working through the product with the customer, showing them how it operates, how to care for it, how to maintain it. If there's any issues in the future, how they would go about reaching out to have services or repairs on their products. But five-star, most importantly, ends with thanking the customer for their business because without the customers, we're no one.